Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to make crochet scrunchies. This is such an easy, quick, and beginner-friendly project for those who are just starting to learn how to crochet. For this project, you're going to need the following items, which includes size 4 medium weight yarn. I prefer making my scrunchies with chenille or velvet so that they have a soft feel, a hair tie, 5.5mm crochet hook, and scissors. First, tie a slip knot by wrapping the yarn twice around your fingers. Then take the loop on the left and place it over the loop on the right. Next, take the new loop on the left and put it over the loop on the right. Pull the yarn to tighten it. Second, put your crochet hook through the loop and then around the hair tie. Wrap the yarn around the crochet hook once and then pull through. Next, grab the yarn from behind the hair tie to make a second loop, and then yarn over and pull through both loops. Continue this process until you have made your way around the whole hair tie. Third, once you find the opening, stick the crochet hook through the top 2 loops that look like a braid. Then, yarn over and pull through both loops. Fourth, chain 3 loops by yarning over and pulling through. Next, yarn over and stick the crochet hook through the next 2 loops on top. Yarn over and pull through 2 loops, and then yarn over again to pull through the next 2 loops. Then, yarn over and put your crochet hook through the same hole you were just working in and complete the same process again. Continue this pattern around the hair tie, making sure to work inside each hole twice in order to get the ruffled look of the scrunchie. Fifth, to close the scrunchie, stick the crochet hook into the top 2 loops at the opening. Then, yarn over and pull through. Next, cut the yarn leaving about 3 inches of yarn. Yarn over and pull through, making sure to tighten the yarn at the end by pulling it. Sixth, weave the yarn through the scrunchie to hide the excess yarn. Now we have our finished project, which is a crochet scrunchie. I truly hope you found this tutorial useful. Happy crafting!